Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ritika. You are learning MS Word step by step. This video is about list in MS Word, bullet list, numbering list and multi-level list. In my previous video, clipboard option and point group option I will discuss. And today I will discuss bullet list, numbering list and multi-level list. First one is bullet list. Bullet is a symbol that is used to create and list item. Now I am taking any symbol. Now create a list, monitor, press enter, keyboard, mouse, monitor, speaker. So when we press enter key, then bullet symbol will display in front of each item. So this is bullet list. If you want to convert this bullet list into numbering list, then first of all select this text, then select numbering style. I am taking small alphabet. In this way we can convert bullet list into numbering list. So this is bullet list and numbering list, right? Next one list is multi-level list. How to use multi-level list? Let's see. Select any multi-level style. Now I am taking this one style. Parts of computer. Tab key, monitor, speaker, mouse, keyboard. Now change the level. Change list level. Input device, tab key, keyboard, then change level, change list level, output device, tab key, printer. So in this way we can create multi-level list, right? Clear? Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.